Hi everyone, and welcome to Take 5, Day 27. We're nearing the end of these 31 days and you are doing awesome. All right, so let's keep finishing strong. 5 minutes on the clock and 3, 2, have a seat. All right, lay down onto your back, exhale. Just want you to keep your knees at 90 and crunch up. All right, so just kind of warm up that stomach for me. Good job, one more little crunch. Now add your reach, so crunch and reach. Again, you'll kind of see how some of this that we've been working on builds on top of each other and how some of it is still brand new, like this. All right, now cross your legs. If you can hook your toes behind your calf muscle. It's called eagle pose in yoga, or let those toes chill. I'll let my toes chill. Then, hands behind your head. We're gonna exhale, tap our heel, and then crunch in, elbows in. So down, crunch. Down, crunch. Woof. Feeling that work here as we tap and draw in. Let's do 2 more reps. 1 and 2. Good. Now hold it in, elbows in, pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now switch your legs. Opposite leg on top if you want. You can hook your toes, so I'll demo that this time for you. Exhale, we tap, and then we draw in with those elbows. We tap, we draw in with those elbows. Good. Pull in. Nice. You guys feel that little extra burn because you're adding that compression in your legs there. Give me 4. Come on. 3. Tap. 2. 1 more rep. 1. Now hold it. Ready, set, bring it in. Elbows in. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Unlock those legs. Give yourself a big squeeze and then rock on up. All right. Now, we did our army crawl, I don't know, maybe a week ago now. So let's revisit and see how you're doing. Forearms to the ground, exhale, forearm plank, and then walk it back. Good. Walk it forward. Is it easier? Is it still challenging? Is it still one of your favorite exercises, or do you prefer to avoid this one? Any of those answers is okay. Again, just make sure that you're lifting those forearms with our movement, okay? 1 more time forward. Good. 1 more time backwards. You're going to hold it back. And again, palms go flat. Revisiting those dolphin push-ups. Exhale, forward and back. Good. 7, 6. You can add these into your toolbox of strengthening shoulders, using that core. Good job. Final 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Knees down. Exhale. Let's make that flip back onto our back now. All right. Now, bring your knees back up. Exhale. Cross again. Right leg over left leg, okay? If you can, get those toes to touch this time. Now, arms up. Cross arms. If you can, get your palms to touch. Eagle the arms. Or hold opposite shoulders. So option 1, option 2. Ready, set. We reach. Oh yeah, and then we come in. We reach, yes, and then we come in. Reach, 3, reach, 4, how about 4 more? Reach, 5, reach, 6, reach, 7, reach, 8, switch. Left leg on top, hook those toes. Left arm goes under, hold your shoulders, or crisscross forearms. In 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Out, in, 8, 7, good, 6, less than a minute, guys, come on, 5, 4, yes you can, 3, good, 2, and 1, woo, flip it. All right, forearms on the ground in 3, 2, 1. Put them down right here. Good. Army crawl back. Army crawl forward. Army crawl back.
Army crawl forward. Come on, pick up those forearms. You're fierce, you're strong. We're nearing that final few seconds, and you're gonna keep moving and grooving until we get there. Come on, guys. This is easier now. You've done it before. Hold forearms. Done. Nice work, everyone. Knees down. Little technical today with that eagle crunch, so feel free to rewind, hit it up again. And remember, 2 times through gives you take 10 minute abs. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.